We got the silver Lee Enfield from World War II. We're blasting this spray paint can by the cone. So far back to Africa. Pop this thing back about 70 times and just shatter it straight through glass. You only need to cock it back once. So, hold up. Right here, we got what we're shooting at right here. Oh, it's gonna be so fun. He got the just the normal BB gun. This is the weapon of mass destruction, and this is the dope ass airsoft. So got some nice weapons and water and other water. We have had some like difficulties because my grandpa and my uncle are in there, and they don't want us shooting shit like this. So we're gonna have to move Verily back into the woods where like a bunch of sand is and stuff. So we'll be back in a sec. So going through the woods right now. So got the thing. He got the gun. Alright. Yeah. Alright, we're going back here into the sanity place. Alright, we're gonna flip this chair. Is this a fucking part to a gun? Bro. Yo! This fucking gun was dismantled here. Look at this. Look at this. It's the trigger. What the fuck? Bro. That's so fucking weird. What the fuck? Bro. Who would just take apart a fucking good gun like that, dude? Alright. Sporting clays, like these are the clays that people shoot out of the fucking air.
What's in there?
The clays that people shoot out of the air.
Dude.
And what the fuck is this?
Dude, that's amazing.
Whoa, what the fuck? Alright, this is our new fucking shooting range. Yeah, bro. Alright.
Let's shoot this.
Here's the fucking thing.
Ready?
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, what the fuck? Bro.
Oh, man, it smells so